Okay. So this is a long problem, but the information tells you that a medium drink is 1.85 and a large drink is C more than M. So 5M plus 5L equals 20.50. And then you have to take the information and plug it in. So it'd be 5 times 1.85 plus 5L equals 20.50. Then you take those numbers, divide by 5 to get 2.25, and then get the difference, which is 0.40.
So for 16 on the no calculator, the question is the value of one solution to this equation is 1. What is the value of the other solution? So these types of equations have like 2 separate equations making them up. So it's one of them is 5 minus x equals positive 4, and the other one is 5 minus x equals negative 4. So you just solve those out and you get x equals 1 and then x equals 9 for this one. So that's the answer.
So the question asks, how many more grams of protein are there in 1 pound of pumpkin seeds than 1 pound of pistachios? The table says that pumpkin seeds has 8.5 grams and pistachios have 3 grams. So we have to multiply that by 16 because 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Get those numbers and then subtract to get the difference of 88 grams.
Okay, so first it's asking which is equal to the expression above, like which of these. So first I'm just going to distribute these 2 numbers to get rid of the parentheses. So you get 5x squared minus 3 plus 3x minus 2x squared minus 10x. And then you're just going to combine the like terms, so you get 3x squared minus 7x minus 3, so the answer is A.
So this question asks for what percent of the tosses did the dime land on heads. So it gives us a table and we look at dimes and you have to combine both numbers to get 53, and then you have to divide that by 100 since there's 100 tosses and you get 53%.
So number 9 on the calculator is pretty long, but it says Kate bought a bus pass that had an initial value of $90. So I wrote that here. And then it says for every bus pass for every bus ride Kate takes, $1.80, the cost of one bus ride is subtracted from the value of the pass. So just like every time she rides, it's minus $1.80, but we really don't need to know that information because the question is asking what percent of the initial value of Kate's bus pass is the cost of one bus ride. So it's just asking what percent of 90 is 1.8. So I'm using the is and of equals percent over 100 formula. So I should 1.8 over 90 equals x over 100. And then I divided each side by, well, I cross multiplied there. And then I divided each side by 90 to get x equals 2%, and that's B.